Okay, so I'm going to show you how to open an account with Chat GPT so you can use this AI software. Currently it's free and I believe it's because they're still in the process of developing it and they're collecting, information on how they can improve it at the moment. But at some point they're most likely going to charge for this, so make the most of it now while it's free. But I mean, I've been using it for a little while. It's absolutely amazing. So even when they start charging for it, I think I'm going to be paying for it myself anyway. So in order to log in or create an account, you need to go to this URL here, which is chat.openai.com/auth/login, and I'll put that link in the description below. And go to sign up, and then you can either sign up with Google or Microsoft account or just direct with email. So I'm going to sign up with an email and then show you how to sign up this way. And then continue. It's going to ask me for a password. So I'm going to use this password and continue. And it may or may not ask you now for a phone number. Okay, so then I was sent an email by OpenAI to verify my email address. So you click that button and now it brings you to this page. Tell us about you. So it just asks you a bit of basic information. And my phone number. I'm going to, of course, blur this out. But you do need to put your real phone number in because they're going to send you a code. And of course, I'm going to blur my code out as well, but that's what I'm doing here, is putting the code in. Okay, and then it's creating my account, and that is it. Now I have access to use ChatGPT. So there's a few examples here of how you can use it. What I'll do a tutorial in the next video, but just basically you can write prompts down here to get it to do stuff for you. But check out my video on the ChatGPT tutorial and I'll show you lots of different ways how you can use this and make money with it and all the good stuff.